Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing super soft, best ever garlic naan on tawa. This recipe will give you exact restaurant style garlic butter naan tandoori flavors without the tandoor. Let's prepare garlic naan. At first, in a small vessel, I am taking 2 cups of water. In a medium heat, warm up the water until you can able to dip your finger inside hot water. That's the perfect temperature of water. I am pouring warm water inside the mixing bowl. Now add half tablespoon brown sugar. Sugar always helps to activate yeast. Here I am taking instant dry yeast. Add half teaspoon of dry yeast. Now leave this mixture for 5 minutes to get yeast activate. Now add 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour for healthier choice. Here I am taking 3/4 cup of yogurt or curd, but I am using little by little at a time. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan Pink salt. Now mix the flour slowly and shape it as a soft, sticky dough. If you feel the dough is hard, then add normal water or yogurt. As I shown in the video, the dough has to be sticky like stick to the finger. Now take a little oil on your palm and apply everywhere on the dough. Then shape the dough as a round ball. I am keeping the dough in a glass bowl. In center, make a little deep space. Burn charcoal piece on the gas stove. Keep small steel bowl in the center. Then place it on the steel bowl. Pour half teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee on top of the charcoal and cover the lid. This charcoal smoke will give excellent tandoori flavor to the naan dough. Leave the dough for resting 20 to 30 minutes. After that, take it out, small steel bowl along with the charcoal. Now, take a little oil on your palm and make smooth surface on top of the dough. Now leave this dough for resting up to 1 hour. It's been an hour now. Have a look. The dough raised up double in size. When you press the dough by your finger, the whole should has to be stay like this. Let me take small portion of this dough and put it on the rolling pad. By using rolling pin, I am giving naan shape. I am using little drop of oil for rolling pin. I made a mixture of chopped garlic and chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Now spread this mixture on top of the rolled naan. By using your finger, press the garlic mixture gently so that it will stick on top of the naan. Now gently make naan upside down. Need to brush water all over the naan. I prefer to take a teaspoon of water on my palm and spread it gently as I shown in the video. At first, I am showing you with the steel pan. My steel pan is perfectly hot. Place it water-sided naan on top of the steel pan. Cook the naan at the medium heat. Have a look, it started bubbles on top. Now reverse the pan gently by holding handle. Keep the gas flame at low so that it will not burn the garlic. Keep doing this process 2 to 3 times. Naan need to cook little more. Have a closer look. Naan cooked perfectly. I will show you back of the naan. It is so crispy. Now take it out the garlic naan and spread butter on top. Adding butter will give extra smooth and flavor to the garlic naan. Now I show you garlic naan on top of the roti pan without the handle. I am taking small portion of the dough. This time I am using atta or wheat flour for rolling. Dip the dough ball inside the flour. Remove external flour. Now roll the dough gently and give a shape as a naan. Spread chopped garlic and chopped coriander leaves mixture on top of the naan. Press gently so that it will stick to the dough. Now gently make naan upside down. Spread water generously so that it will stick to the pan. I kept the roti pan on top of the gas stove at medium heat. Now gently place naan on top of the roti pan. Have a closer look. Lots of bubbles popping up. By using tongue, turn it down the roti pan. It took 2 to 3 minutes to cook the naan properly. With the help of spatula, I'm taking out the naan. Wait, I show you the back side of the naan. It is so crispy. Garlic butter naan is ready to serve. It is so tender and easy to tear. Few minutes later, the garlic butter naan would be so smooth. I am squeezing the garlic naan by my hand. But the shape of the butter garlic naan is same as earlier. Try this recipe today and do let me know in the comment box. For more healthier and tastier recipes, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for future notification. Thank you.